spice back. We gotta jump to hyperspace or we're dead. Come on, click the bypass to the hyperdrive. All right, hyperdrive controls are active. Make the jump to light speed. Nice one, Captain! Oh, that never gets old. As soon as we offload these spice crates at Shadow Market, we are sitting pretty. You know, maybe then you can make those repulsor lift upgrades you've been promising me forever. You know, and forever and ever. You know, it looks like we're gonna be in hyperspace for a while here, so feel free to go back and check our loot. You name it. Sky's the limit. There's our ship. The Windfall. Wasn't she beautiful when we first stole her? A lot of parsecs on the old girl now, huh? Kind of a miracle she's still carrying us around. Oh, I digress. Ah, the Hand of Saint Scorpus. Oh, that trouble on Jeddah just to steal an artifact that nobody even wanted. I mean, how was I supposed to know the locals considered a curse? I don't know everything. A little heads up from the Hand would have been nice. No idea. Junk Peddler said it was some kind of unfair artifact, but I don't know. Who knows? Although, you know what? Let's go along with that. Make the Junk Peddler's day. Hey, I need a hand with this. Can you come help me? Oh, scrag. Looks like we took some damage back there. While I try to reroute the power, why don't you go ahead and scan the ship? Well, looks like the main sensor antenna's been damaged. Alright, let's switch to backup. Okay, let's do the next one. Switching to defense systems. While the deflector shields are totally offline, one more hit and we would have been toast. Let's shut them down until we can get them repaired. Something's wrong, Captain. Let's go check it out. Something's pulled us out of hyperspace and put us down in the Atreus sector. We're in the outer rim. That doesn't look like any Star Destroyer that I've ever seen. How did they snag us?
This is Admiral Carius of the Galactic Empire. Surrender control of your ship immediately.
This is ZOE3, first mate on the Windfall. Zoe to my friends. There must be some mistake. Admiral, the Windfall is a humble salvage vessel.
This sort of immediate compliance will result in your destruction.
My bad, Admiral. Sorry about that. Slaving our ship's guidance to your Imperial control now. Oh, scrag. We didn't do anything that bad. Whoa! Whoa, that looks like Mustafar. Mustafar's a mining planet. Why are the Imperials taking us there? What's the Empire even doing on a backwater planet like this? I got a bad feeling about this, Captain.
This is Admiral Carius. Present your ship for inspection.
You know, I'm getting the feeling they're onto us. I'll hide the credit chips. You write the ship's level.
At once, we will board your ship with civilian ship.
I'm officially worried, Captain.
Open your door.
Just a moment. Sorry, we're having... Oh! Hi.
Don't move, scum!
You've caused us considerable inconvenience, smuggler.
Smugglers? Who said we were smugglers? Who are these
Destroyed.
smugglers?
Take them both to the holding cells. My name is Admiral Carius. In a moment, Darth Vader, Lord of this monolith, will give you a task at which you will undoubtedly fail. A word of advice. Do not anger Vader. I loathe cleaning these cells after interrogation. Cooperate, and I promise you a merciful death when he's through with you. You are not the first candidate to fall under his scrutiny, and you will likely not be the last.
You may wonder why I have brought you here. You are required to perform one simple task. Open this configuration, and I will spare your life. This is the one I've been searching for.
Voice ID, Admiral Carius.
I will send for you shortly.
hear us? You opened the artifact. No one's been able to do that for eons. Vader's been scouring the galaxy for someone of your bloodline.
What bloodline? What are you talking about? Also, please introduce yourself. Who are you?
Violet Fulma, lore master of my cavern clan.
Uh-huh. And why should we trust you?
Do you want to get out of here? Then listen. Now that Vader's found you, he's in reach of enormous power. He means to conquer death itself. Countless lives are in danger, including your own. You must escape this planet.
Yep, way ahead of you on that, lore master. Except I can't reach it.
Here, use this to access the main breaker.
Wait, you have a hydro spanner? I don't want to ask, but where have you been hiding that? Don't tell me. You know what? I don't want to know.
That sounds promising.
Wow, you did it, Captain. Thanks, Violet, was it? I was technically not listening.
The door is activated by voice print.
Okay, no offense, but this is not our first jailbreak. Step aside, please, and keep quiet. I can simulate the Admiral's voice.
Voice ID, Admiral Cable Carius. Voice ID, Admiral Cable Carius.
Voice ID, Admiral Cable Carius.
This way, hurry. This lift will take us to the hangar and your ship, but we need to override the security. Perfect. Maybe moving the... Good. I think we may make it.
Hey! How did you...
We better move before any more guards arrive.
There's the wind ball. That's our ship. We gotta find a way down there.
Quickly, let's move! No, this place will be swarming with troopers in seconds.
This is Admiral Carius. All personnel on alert. Prisoners have escaped. Lock down the hangar and secure all exits.
Ah, we'll never get to our ship now.
And we'll have to find the priestess right now. Down in the caverns beneath. She's her only way off Mustafar now. Take my word to it. It will help her find you.
I'll hold them off! Find the priestess! She's your only hope!
Now move! The elevators are going into lockdown. The only route is via these private chambers above us. No telling what's up there. But it can't be worse than this, right?
Secure stations! Secure stations! Prisoners have escaped. Locking out all service elevators and doors.
We're sitting bloggins in here. We'll have to find another way out. I can't override the controls. Can you try? ladder up here.
The Maker.
Way out. Follow me. Well, I guess the only way is up. Scrag it, I hate heights. You know, this is humiliating. If you'd upgraded my repulsor lift module, I wouldn't have to drag myself up like a meatbag. Yeah, looks like we could climb up here. Word of advice. Best not to look down. Right, from here on out, can we just stick to places that don't require climbing, please? Yeah. Oh, I hate those things. According to the nav route, we can get out through those shutters. Okay, I think I can activate them, but I'm gonna need a minute. Will you cover me? Impressed, Captain. I thought for sure you were dead. Come on, there's no time to celebrate. I found a way out. Yes. Okay. Alright. We found a way. And... Yikes! That's a really long drop. Okay, well there's a ventilation shaft just above us, which means we have to go even higher. So, great news for me. Now grab my hand! It's actually kind of beautiful. At least as far as nightmare hellscapes go. There should be a way to get this open. heating it up first, then cutting slower.
And you believe the final component of the Eon engine is within your grasp?
I have no doubt.
You found a descendant of Lady Korvax then?
One of the last, it would seem. Unlike the others, this one activated the artifact.
Korvax? Is that what Violet meant by her bloodline? This way.
With the cannon's help, you will be able to unlock Lady Korvax's sector. You will gain mastery over death itself. What you see is finally within your grasp.
Leave me now.
Partner.
Something wonderful has happened. Annie, I'm back.
I was not programmed for this. Everything about this place feels wrong. We need to get out of here. Down here! Hurry, get in! Okay, what did Violet say again?
You'll have to fight the priestess of my clan. Down in the caverns beneath us. She's your only way off Mustafar now. Take my lore totem. It will help her find you.
Caverns, priestess, totem. Is there any version of this plan that doesn't end up with us being dead? Captain? Whatever happens, it's been a good run. Whoa! Look at this place. It seems like the Imperials are excavating something. Okay, we got the caverns. How are we gonna find the priestess? Oh, there's a skiff! I think I can just hotwire this thing. Come over and cover me.
There are intruders on the excavation dock! It's the prisoner! Get them!
Firing out near the elevator. Use your saber to deflect the blast of fire.
Prisoner's hit!
Woo! Great, I'm almost there.
No one
looks like an ancient castle. These ruins are definitely pre-Republic. At least a few thousand cycles old. That's what the Imperials are excavating. I wonder what Vader is after. Like the welcoming committee. I hope this priestess shows up. Hey, the totem's glowing. You're a descendant of Lady Corvax. That must be her. I bet this was her castle. After you, Captain. Why don't you go first?
By the original lights. It appears Vader has finally found his candidate.
Hi. Are you the priestess? Violet said we should give you this, that you'd help us escape?
We don't have much time. I must help you understand. Once, our world Mustafa was green, filled with life. Lady Kovacs abided here with her husband, Sir Doran, living in peace with my people. The bright star was our most sacred object.